How to see the password of your hotspot. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly you need to go to the hotspot setting. So scroll down the notification bar and tap and hold on the hotspot. After that, you will see the name and the password of your device. Simply click on hotspot setting and then you will be able to see your device name and as well as password. Now, you can also change the device name if you like and click on save option. If you want to share your hotspot, the other method is to simply turn on the hotspot first, provide your mobile password and then you will be also able to share your QR code. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.